change, then bust down the chain. Benjamin Grants, my pockets got names. The Billy cocaine, that look like the main. A brick on white horse and St. Full of them things. This bitch got booked to go somewhere in Spain. Fuck a fiance, I married the game. I do. It's really 200 occasion.
What's up, YouTube? We back here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over the reasons why you should buy a Mustang GT. I'm going to tell you guys why I think you should buy a Mustang GT over any Camaro or even any Challenger or Charger. At least with the Mustang, you don't have to worry about sinking. All you have to worry about is hitting crowds. Okay, so one reason why I think you guys should get a Mustang if you're watching the video is because maybe you're interested in buying one or you're just a subscriber and want to watch. But like I was saying, I think you should get a Mustang because these things come fast right from factory. And also there's so many different things you can do to these cars to make them even faster. I know I've seen some Mustangs keep up with Hellcats and stuff, but they are very modded out, and you can do those with these cars and they won't break as fast as you think they might. Also, depending on how you drive these cars, another reason it's great because you can drive this car extremely hard and you could get really bad gas mileage. But for road trips, if you're on the highway, you can get like 25 miles to the gallon. I came here from Jersey. I drove the car from Jersey to Florida, and I got 25 miles to gallon on the highway. So these things are great road trip cars. I don't know about the other sports cars because I haven't really owned those, but I know this one gets you great miles per gallon. And even right now in the city, just driving around the city, I get around 17 to 19 miles per gallon. And that's not bad at all for a sports car, especially how loud this thing is and all the modifications done to it. Another reason why I love this Mustang over the other cars, because I've seen the inside of the other cars, but the interior on the Mustangs and the GTs are so good. So you come in here, you already have ambient lighting. As you can see, it's way better at night. You got the memory seats. Got a nice steering wheel. Even though it should be flat bottom, that would be so much better. You still have a pretty nice steering wheel, heated and cooled, and yeah, paddle shifters for manual and sport mode. You also got the big screen right here, so you can't really beat the big screen. I mean, I used to have the little one in my red car and the red Mustang, but this is such an upgrade, and they come straight from factory like this, so that's really good. Another good reason why, if you wanted to choose a Mustang, you would also have the option to choose between a 10-speed automatic and a 6-speed manual. When in other cars, you don't really have the option to always choose between automatic and manuals. Like I know a lot of Challengers and Chargers, they don't really have a lot of options from manual to automatic. But the Mustangs, they do. You have 10-speed automatic, 6-speed manual, and with the manuals, you get automatic rev match and a bunch of other cool things like that. And there's so many different things you can do with the seats. You could get Recaro seats. You can get the heated and cooled seats like I have. I've had both. Personally, I like these better just for daily driving because you have cooled and heated, because who doesn't want that? But the Recaros are more as like a racetrack, a track kind of feeling. Those are really cool, maybe for like a weekend car. But daily driving, I would choose these seats 100%. All right, enough of the interior here, though. Let's get out and talk about the best part about the car that, you know, there's a little lizard. So, man. But the best part about these cars that everyone can agree with is the sound. Straight from factory, these things sound amazing. But especially if you get a resonator delete, if you get your long tube headers and do whatever you want with the cats, or just a catback in general, these things, they really wake up and you get the true 75,000 RPMs of it. 7,500. But anyways, I have stainless powered long tube headers paired with 4 Performance by Boylac catback exhaust, and I can tell you guys this is really raspy. Not as raspy as Corsa Extremes, and I am going to be getting Corsa Extremes in the future. Still working out a deal with someone trying to get the Corsa Extremes here, but I'm trying to sell these first. But anyway, I love the setup I have now. I just want more raspiness Corsa Extremes, and I know it's going to be a little bit louder than this, so that's what I'm really aiming for. But there are so many different options you can use. You can do MBRP, Roush, Corsa, Borla. I mean, there's so many. There's so many different options. I've had MBRP on my last GT. I have 4 Performance by Borla on this one. And on my red Mustang, the V6, I know it doesn't really count, but I did have Roush on that. So this is by far my favorite. It's the most raspiness, and I really enjoy this one the most. Because I know a lot of people out there don't even have this exhaust. I've never seen another Mustang that has this exhaust on it. You already know I had to represent the sticker. Got some on both sides, so now people on the road can, you know, look up the channel and subscribe. We on the road to 2,000 subscribers, so if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, join the family, and we're going to be getting to 2K in, I'm trying to hit in 2 or 3 months from now. If this video gets 300 likes, I will wrap the car whatever the top comment is in the comment section. So if this video gets 300 likes, I will wrap this car because the black is starting to annoy me with the water spots and whatnot. And I don't know if I just want to do a wrap or a paint correction because I'm going to do a wrap in the future anyways. So if we get 300 likes, I'll do a wrap on it sooner than later. So what I want to do is I want to get in the car, throw in the head strap, and then I want to give you guys a little point of view drive what it sounds like from inside the car and show you why it's so worth it to get an exhaust if you're going to own a Mustang. First, before we go in and throw in the head strap, I'm going to give you guys a nice little cold start. Sorry neighbors, but here we go. Alright guys, so we in the car now, but every time I drive this car, every single day, I always put it in Sport Plus mode and then put the steering and comfort. I mean, that's just the overall best experience, I think, for daily driving, because so those modes basically are just throttle responses. So normal being normal, Sport Plus being more throttle response, like, you know, a throttle response. If you don't know what that is, just look it up. But the other ones are like track, drag strip, snow and wet, and then normal mode. But Sport Plus is the best in my opinion. And yeah, that's what we're rocking. So I'm gonna let you guys hear what this thing sounds like now. And the downshifts on this is so nasty too. But yeah, the Mustang is a great car to daily drive. Don't listen to what anybody says, because I daily drive this thing for almost 2 years now, and it is perfect. So you get everything you need. You get a normal car, but it's also fast. It can be loud if you want it to be. It could also be quiet if you want it to be. Like, it's not loud unless I step on it. You see, like, right now, I'm not hitting it. Normal car. But you know, if I wanted to hit it, down the window. My tires are not warm yet. And you got a burble tune. So also, Mustangs have any way you could be tuned. Like, I see Mustangs out there with a flame tune, popcorn tune I've had, which is bad experience. But I have a burble tune on it right now, and I absolutely love the burble tune. I don't think I ever want to get rid of it because it kind of sounds like a GT350 burble tune in a way. So I've always loved having that. I will say this though, if you are like a father or something, and you have a family, and this is going to be your only car, I don't recommend it because you only have one seat here. But then if you have like children, then maybe they could fit back there. But I'm 6'3", so no one is sitting behind me. Or someone without legs can probably sit behind me, but you know, no one, I mean, I'm not gonna say that, but no one can really sit behind me is what I'm saying. But someone could sit there if they move the seat up here. But that's about it. You could fit maybe 3 people in this car, including yourself. But if you're a small person driving this car, then you could fit 4. But once again, that's not really, it is a coupe, so it's a 2-door car, so it's not really the most most significant car for you to get. But yeah, so if you're gonna daily drive a car and you have a family, I wouldn't recommend getting this car. But this is gonna be your weekend car, your fun car, go right ahead. This is probably one of the best sports cars you can get that's not really gonna break your bank. So yeah, that's really what the inside of this sounds like. I'm not going to give you too long of a drive. But yeah, I have a bunch of point of view drive videos on my channel if you want to see more point of view driving. I'm going to put one in the top right corner, so hit that little card and it'll send you right to a point of view drive video. And I make a bunch of videos of those, so if you really love those, you can watch them all. you looking at, old man? But yeah, we're going to the gym right now, so we're just gonna park up. And yeah, that's really what the inside of a loud Mustang GT sounds like. Okay, also the reverse camera on this thing is huge, great quality. So you basically are gonna be a pro at backing in places or just having a reverse camera. So that's another great pro of having a Mustang. All right, so we parked up now. So I'm gonna do one more little walk around, and then I'm gonna upload a bunch of video clips of what the exhaust sounds like on the road. So in the front, we got the Savini hood, all blacked out, pony badge, all tinted out all around. I should probably tint out the back windshield just a little bit more, because it could be more tinted than that. But yeah, so that's what the car's looking like right now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and upload a few video clips of what the car sounds like from outside of the car. I might add a little montage of some clips I have of the car rolling down the road too. So let's get into the clips.
Serve on my dick, though. I'm so picky when it come to these bitch. Who's a gangster chick, told my blick. Got wife with me, hey, I got away with start up again. She overwent, now I'm all up. Guitar, we gon' rock out like bands. Spin through they block, you get killed where you stand. I ran up some chains, then bust down the chain. Benjamin Grants, my pockets got names. The Billy cocaine, that look like the main. A brick of white force, the same color, them things. I just got booked to go somewhere in Spain. Fuck a fiance, I married the game. I do. It's really 200 occasion, man. I'm on the jet eating raising cane. They tripping the grass too high, I don't never be at the house in Memphis. I done out through the city, soft up the digits, these niggas can't hit me. Little box on the back of the Glock, we got switches. Awful lot of cough serve on my dick, though. I'm so picky when it come to these bitch. Who's a gangster chick, told my blick. Got wife with me, hey. I got away with these words, I got away with these hoes. I keep it 2 pepper, I'm talking my shit on a whole nother level. I just was over there, I speak for the ghetto. 8 ounces of walking, a Fago on KO. These niggas fake, put together like Play-Doh. Drilling this new hoe.
So I've been debating doing more than just car content on this channel. So if you guys are interested, or if you guys would like me to start doing more vlog type videos, like have car stuff definitely in it, but then more just like regular other stuff of me, like what I'm doing in my life, just let me know in the comments if that's something you guys would want to see. Just stuff like when I'm going out with my friends, going places, going to the beach, playing basketball, going to the gym, just like regular stuff like that. If you guys want to see that, I can make cool content with that kind of stuff other than just car content, because I know this is a car related channel. So if you guys do want to see more than that, let me know in the comments, because I want to know what you guys think. And I listen to whatever you guys say, and I take it into consideration. So just let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Get us to 300 likes on this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Benjamin Grants, my pockets got names. The Billy cocaine, that look like the main. A brick of white force, the same color, them things. I just got booked to go somewhere in Spain. Fuck a fiance, I married the game. I do. It's really 200.